ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावतीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। Namaste. It's great. Everyone is a leader and a follower. Everyone, without exception, is a leader and also a follower. So, what do you mean by leader? That means a person who is able to lead, not only for others, he has to lead himself. That is the most important thing. See, the best definition according to me is from the Bhagavad Gita for the leadership. That is what we are going to analyze today, try to understand to what extent you will be able to follow. So unless otherwise you are able to understand and assimilate, so you cannot follow. See, any kind of concept, now you have to understand, then reflect, and then assimilate, then automatically you can follow. So that's exactly what we want to do it today. We always used to kind of chant a sloka in the morning. Yetyada charasi shrestha tattade vedaro jana sayat pramanam kurude lokas tadanu vartade. Now let us listen this particular sloka.
यद्यदाचरति श्रेष्ठः तत्तदेवेतरो जनः स यत्प्रमाणं कुरुते लोकस्तदनुवर्तते.
Great. Now be familiar with some of the words. You know what is karma and dharma, punya and papa. Now when you talk about this karma and dharma, see, we discussed that every action or a karma produces a punya and papa. This is what we call as a karma phala. That means any action, doesn't really matter what action, every action produces the punya or papa. Now, when the karma produces the punya, you always feel the happiness. Suppose the karma produce the papa, you get a kind of a misery. See, that means we know the karma and dharma and also the karma phala and also the punya and papa, and if you are able to get the punya, you get a lot of the happiness. If you are able to get the papa, you get a lot of the unhappiness. Right? I hope you have understood. Okay, this particular sloka is a brilliant sloka which defines who is a leader. When you say that Shreshtaha, what do you mean by Shreshtaha? Is a superior man or a person. Okay, what do you mean by the superior person? The man who knows the dharma and also follows the dharma. The man who knows dharma and also follow the dharma. See, a lot of people know the Dharma, they don't follow. He is not a Shrestha. That means a person is able to know the Dharma, the righteousness, and also follow the Dharma is a Shrestha. That means you are a Shrestha Purusha. That is one. The another word you have to understand this very, very powerful is Acharati. What do you mean by Acharati? That means he is able to perform, conduct himself. That is a Acharati. Okay, this Shrestha Acharati. Now, there is one more word called Pramanam. When I say Pramanam, is a kind of a instrument or a source of the knowledge. In other words, I would like to use it as a standard. Whatever we are talking about the SOP, that means Pramanam. That means you are having kind of a standards, Pramanam. Okay, so now with this, let us go into this particular sloka. When I say that, in this particular case, Janaha is the person. Okay, Itara Janaha, every other person. Acharati, performs. What he does? Eva tat tat, only such action. Eva means only. Tat tat, that means such action. Yet yet, whichever. Shrestha, a person who's superior. Acharati, performs. What is the message of this particular one? See, a Shrestha is performing. That means Shrestha Acharati eva tat tat yat tat etara janaha. That means a Shrestha, whoever he performs, the other people just follow it. Okay? Then, Lokaha, in this particular case, word or the people. Anuvartate. Anuvartate means they follow it. Follow whom? They Shrestha. Tat, the way of life. Yet which, that means Saha. Who is the Saha here is a Shrestha. When you say Saha, that is a he who is the superior, that is the Shrestha. Kurute Pramanam. He set the standards. Who does it? Who does it? Shrestha. The Shrestha set the Pramanam. The Saha Kurute Pramanam. So what is the essence of this particular sloka? That means Shrestha Purusha. He performs the activities. Okay, whatever he does it, the other people are able to follow it. Now this is where you have to understand, when you say the Shrestha Purusha, that means a man who knows the Dharma and also the follow the Dharma is a Shrestha Purusha. Now the sum and substance of the entire sloka is, that means a man who understands the Dharma and follow it up. So we have to, he set the standards so that the others can follow. This is what he called the particular meaning of this particular sloka. So now there is a lot of responsibility with this leader. What do you mean by that? Everybody is watching him. See, all the other followers are able to watching the Shrestha Purusha, that is the leader. That means you have to be very careful. Not only that he is able to follow the Dharma, he must also appears to be following the Dharma. Now I just want to share it with one particular anecdote. One lady took her daughter to Ramakrishna Paramahamsa. That girl was consuming too much of sugar. She was eating too much of sweet. So the lady took the daughter to the Ramakrishna Paramahamsa. And then, requested Ramakrishna Paramahamsa to advise to her daughter not to take too much of sugar. Then Ramakrishna Paramahamsa was just keeping quiet and looking at the eyes of the daughter, and then said, "Okay, you come and see me after 15 days. So the lady was quite disappointed. See, after all, he has to advise. And why he is asking me to come back after 15 days? After 15 days, she took her daughter to Ramakrishna Paramahamsa. Then Ramakrishna Paramahamsa told the girl, "Baby, anything consuming more is not good. Anything. So, you are consuming too much of sugar or a sweet. So, anything is more is bad. So, you can take sugar but not too much. So, beta, it is not good for your health. Okay. So, you have to understand, and you are a good girl. You will be able to follow." Then he just looked at the lady. Then this lady was quite surprised. He said, "Guruji, maybe you could have told her about 15 days back. Why you asked me to come after 15 days? Then Ramakrishna Paramahamsa told the lady, "See, at that time, I was consuming too much of sugar. I had no moral courage to advise her. Now, from that day, I am not taking much sugar. So now I got the moral courage to advise." So the message is that you cannot only advise what you are not following. So you have to set the standards before the other people to ask them to follow the standards. So the whole idea is, see, the Shrestha Purusha must set the standards and follow the standards. See, you can be a leader. You are a Shrestha Purusha. It doesn't mean any position, but your attitude. You are able to follow the Dharma. Okay. I hope you understood. That means any leader, a Shrestha Purusha, I use the word no, Shrestha Purusha, that means he must know the Dharma and Adharma and follow the Dharma and avoid the Adharma and set the standards for the other people to follow. Take care, all the best. Om Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinah Sarve Santu Niramaya Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu Ma Kaschid Dukkha Bhavet. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.